Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about essential apps that you should download on your Amazfit Active 2, and stick around till the end if you want to find out about my favorite app on this watch. Amazfit Active 2 comes with very limited storage, which is 512 MB, and it is very difficult to see how much storage is left. You have to go in apps, then go in settings, then go in system, then go in about, and here you can see the available storage. Now you can make this process so much simpler by downloading just one app, and this app shows you how much storage is left and even tells you how much storage is occupied by the apps and watch faces and the system. The name of the app is Watch Storage Space. So if you go in here, it will calculate the storage and then it will straight away tell you that you have this much memory left, and then there is a breakdown down below. Now if you'll swipe up, you can see the breakdown by apps, music, watch face and system. Since this watch has limited storage, I think this is one of the most essential apps that you should download straight away on this watch. A good thing with the Amazfit Active 2 is that it tracks a lot of health features and a lot of health metrics, but the bad thing here is that all of this information is scattered in all of these different apps. But you can download this one app called Health Center, which shows you all of this information in one space in this dashboard style. So here you can see that right now you can see your exercise data, your steps, your distance, stand time, calorie, fat burning. If you scroll up, now you have your stress data, sleep data. Scroll up, you get to your heart health, and then we have workout status. If you want to see a lot of this information in one place, download this app and you don't have to worry about going into all of these different apps to find out your health metrics. You can do it in this one space, and it is very beautifully laid out in this dashboard style, in these cards layout. I really like this app. Once again, this is an essential app to have on this watch. Now Amazfit Active 2 comes with this to do app, but the problem with this app is that you have to add your notes through the mobile app. But what if you want to do that on the watch? What if you want to add notes from the watch itself? So for that there is an app and it's called Remind Me. And if you go in this app here, you can see that there's a plus button. You can go in here and here you can create your own notes or reminders. So you can first name it. Then you can go in here and you can select the type, whatever it is that you are creating the note about. Then you have the open time, expiration time, reminder date and reminder time, and then you can just save it. So it's prompting me to select the expiration date, and then we'll save it, and now you have your note right here. You can also go in here and edit it further, or you can delete it as well. Now here you will see at the top it says stat. If you go in here, if you tap on it, it shows you your stats, near expiration reminders, not expired or expired. Out of the box, Amazfit Active 2 is also missing the World Clock app, but you can also download this app from the Zepp App Store, and the name is called, well, World Clock, and you will see that it looks like this. So if you go in here, you can now have different timings around different locations, and if you tap on this plus button, you can add even more cities from here. Now the Zepp app on your phone comes with a lot of breathing exercises and breathing meditations, but there is no specific app that exists on the watch by default. So you can download this app for your breathing exercises as well. The name of the app is called Breathe, and if you'll go in here, you will see that there are 3 and 4 different sections. So first one is relax. Here you can go in and you can select the amount of duration that you want, then how much breaths per minute you want. You can also set that up. Next we have sleeping. So here you can select the duration of this meditation, and then we also have a focus mode here, and you can change the duration of this mode as well. You can also set reminders to remind yourself to do this breathing exercises throughout the day so that you stay calm and reduce your stress levels. Now you can go in these breathing exercises and you can start it, and the watch actually vibrates to guide you through these exercises. So you can follow the vibrations of the watch to inhale and then give a pause and then exhale and all that. So after a while you get used to it and you can really get benefit from this app on your watch. Another really cool app that I found on the Zepp store is called Today Inspiring, and this app basically shows you a motivational quote every time you open it. So here you can see that we have a code. If you tap on it, it will change the code and it will also tell you who's the author, and it is backed by these beautiful wallpapers that make you feel calm and all that. And if you swipe to the left, you can actually create daily reminders. So according to your reminders, you will get a new quote every time your reminder goes off. And now finally, I want to talk about my favorite app on this watch, which was actually kind of a surprise to find a watch with such functionality on the Zepp App Store. And this app is called Spotify. This allows you to actually use your Spotify account on Amazfit Active 2. So the name is Spotify. When you will first go into this app for the first time, it will actually prompt you to log into your Spotify account on the Spotify app on your phone. But after you have done that, you can come back into this app here. You can go in your library, playlists, and here you will see all of your playlists. You can go in your playlists, and here you can download these songs, and once they're downloaded, they are available offline. So you can simply go in your downloads, and from here you can play these songs. And to be honest, the app is a bit laggy, but if you're in a pinch, you can make do with this app because there are no other options to do this on this platform. So yeah, that's about it. These were some of the essential apps that you can download on your Amazfit Active 2. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and that's about it from this one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.